We have to help!
Quack! Quack! This is it! Our journey begins!
Quack! Steady! We can make it!
Quack! Get!
Look! It's showing us the way! Quack!
Follow that glow! Hold on, Pen! We're almost there!
Quack! Just a little further.
Well, that's definitely not a welcome mat. Whatever's inside, we face it together.
It's not what I expected.
Yeah. Big, but kinda wobbly.
Easy!
We're not here to hurt you! Okay, too fast, my bad. Stay sharp! Okay, now it's officially spicy. Heads up! Whoa, okay, that thing's got reflexes. Careful, it's not even trying yet. It's bouncing. Stay light, don't get cornered. Not losing you today. I can hold it just for a moment. Then, that moment's ours.
Too slow!
I see you. Keep moving. There, between the coils. Got it. Moving. Bank shot. Perfect angle.
We're here!
Together. Whoa! Gravity's broken! Stay with me! Jump now! I've got you! Don't budge! I'm still standing. It's hurting. Yeah, I see it. There, inside it. That thing's hurting him. It's hurting, it's not angry, it's trapped. Yeah, we help it.
Easy, easy!
We gotcha. It's okay, we're here. Together, keep it steady. On your beat. It's working. Just a little more.
You're safe now!
Yeah, we've got you.
Guess he just needed help.
Everyone does sometimes. Looks like everything's gonna be okay. Told ya, we've got this. It's lighter, like it's happy. Guess it knows we did good.
I thought I'd never see the sky again.
You're safe now. True treasure is the heart. Guess I can rock contacts now. Kinda nice when the world isn't trying to eat us. Let's keep it that way. So, where to next? Wherever we're needed.